Hi, this is Luke Gardner. DADOS is a next-generation data analytics platform designed to deliver ease of use and productivity with lightning-fast performance. Our mission is to combine big data and AI with Apple Vision Pro's dazzling user experience to create a new paradigm for analytics, visualization, and presentation. We call this spatial analytics. In today's demo, we will start by loading new data. We can do this by linking directly to a Parquet file, a CSV file, or a JSON file, or load all files in a directory using a wildcard. The system downloads the data and sets it up as a table in our local query database. Now, we will create a data frame from the SP500 data source. This is DADOS Lab, our visual data frame editor. This data frame contains daily pricing metrics and dimensions for the SP500 since the year 2000. 3.15 million rows with 29 columns. Note the performance. Data frames are the center of the analytics universe. Charts, lists, visualizations, and dashboards are easily created visually from a data frame. Let's trim this data frame down to support the visualization we are building. We will pick only the columns we need for this visualization and use the filter builder to select the symbol values for Apple and Salesforce. The data frame now has 12,682 rows and 8 columns. The result was returned in a tenth of a second. Now that we have the right data, it's time to create a chart. We select the chart type and the data columns to use, adjust a few options, and there is our chart. This is our visual chart builder. We currently support 14 chart types with many formatting options. That's how quickly we can connect to data and move to a chart.